Hi, Precious. Good morning. Can you hear me? Your audio is connected. If you can hear me, adjust your audio. It's not connected yet. Welcome. Good morning. Can you hear me now?
Good morning, sir.
How far now? How's your week? How's it going?
Fine.
Okay, we start. Anybody that comes to join us, is my 5 minutes grace at the lab, so we kick out the class. All right. The video is definitely catch up. All right.
Okay.
Where
Yes,
did we
sir.
start the last time? In fact, we did installations, and that's what we did.
Yes. Mm. And
All
then
right.
we created a file from Notepad,
Mm-hmm.
HTML,
We
that we
learned.
saved in our
Okay.
browser, and we're able to have Chrome as our host browser.
You really went through the class. Every detail. All right. So I wanted to give her the course outline. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to add us to the. After the class, I'm going to add our emails to the course outline. Um, hmm. All right. For now, let me share this class.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So let's get into HTML CSS properly. So this is my course outline. Is a 14 class outline. With the 15th and 16th class being project execution. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to be having access to this after, what's it called? After now, I'll share this in the outline. So let's go. We are introducing to web development. The truth is, the fundamentals of web development as it is from HTML. Let me put it that way. Modern day web runs, in fact, most modern day web runs on HTML. In fact, it is everything. There are before HTML, there was SML. SML still exists, but some mobile apps use SML. I know Kotlin uses SML to work on Android, all right, to run on Android. But as far as the web is concerned, the chief guy here, the main guy here is HTML and CSS. Let me not dwell much on it. We'll go straight to the point. We'll talk about the overview of HTML and CSS, understanding the client server model, setting up the development environment. We've done this already, so I won't be repeating this. I've also done this. I'll be repeating this. Are you with me?
Okay.
All right. So let me do this introduction I like doing. Is the legacy introduction. The World of Web is run by 4 participants. Let me put it that way. Daily web life is made possible by 4 participants. 2 of those participants are humans, while 2 are machines. I don't know if I've said it before. Okay. Now the 2 humans are, one, the developer who wrote the code and put it on the server. Number 2, the user who uses browser to request web pages to browse on the internet. Those are the 2 humans. On the other side, we have 2 machines. The 2 machines are the browser, which is your Chrome, your Edge, your Firefox, and then the server. All right. So you already know the browser and what it looks like. But if we are
Yes.
saying, I had that there's a high tendency that you do not know what a server is. A server is like a computer, but however, there are computers that are designed for the purpose of hosting websites, serving as resources for online hosts. Now, can your own computer do that? True, it can. As a matter of fact, I host some temporary resources on my system. If I'm building and the client have not provisioned the server yet, or have not released money to buy server yet, I use my computer. There are modern day technology that can help you with that to connect, make my resource available to the internet. People can browse what I'm building on my computer. It's dangerous security-wise, although they claim that there are the services that have security measures in place, but me, I don't trust security in an internet space. All right? You can actually create a local server within your room, within your environment, in your local environment. If you're close to me, I can create a server that your computer will connect to my computer without going to the internet. That is called local server. So yeah, that's what the local area network. Let's put it that way. So local hosting, yeah, more like using. I can do that using Wi-Fi. If you are on the same hotspot, I can give you a server from my system. You connect. So a server is like a computer that is hosting the websites or the web app that people are browsing are requesting. Now, the way it works, this resources lives on. So sorry, this server have what we call IP address. Start to open my notepad. All right.
Okay.
IP address. What is IP address? IP means internet protocol. So IP means what? Internet protocol. And then, sorry, when you join this class, were you told that this class is being recorded?
Yes.
All right. So internet protocol. And then the way it works, okay, so now this IP address are unique address assigned to, computer devices. Your phone has an IP address. Your laptop has an IP address. If you're using a router that or a MiFi, then those things also have IP address.
Mm.
Yeah. There's also what we call network IP. So it's to identify people on the internet, you need the IP address to identify them. Now, a lot is going on the internet. I cannot mention right now, but if you stay with me over time, you figure them out. All right, so back to how the web works. Let me not go deep into explain IP address. IP address is unique, just like your house has an address. IP address is a unique address, and the way it looks like it's a number. But let me show you a sample IP address. Let me get my IP address and put it here. No, this is going on. Let me not get mine. Let me just get a random IP address. All right. Now look at them. These IP addresses. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So these IP addresses. These are addresses that can be used to access things on the internet. Let me show you these ones are active. It's gonna be crazy. It's just the same again. Okay. Let me see go. That's why they warning. All right. So, but generally, that's IP address is still loading. So these IP addresses and everything. The computer that have that address, once you enter it, it opens it straight up. I can open some website for you, and if I get the IP address of the server, I won't need to type the website address. I will just type the what do you call it, the IP address, and the site will load. A typical example, let me try this. I think I configured this server. I should be able to know the IP address. 17. If not, I use it. What I've lost 164. This is it. So now, so this is the default on page. Now, if I go to what we call ports, do I remember the port I used to do my configurations? Let me try this. Sorry, that's strange. No, it should be 3200. All right. I'm trying to just show you that you can use IP address to access website web links. It doesn't have to really be the web URL, like, All right. So because of that, this is where the concept of domain name comes in now. I'm introducing small. Now, this address, you cannot imagine that everybody after crowd to crown your website IP address before they can access website. It's crazy, right? So
Yes.
for us to get easy to what people knows, because that word is all about make things easier for people to use. They come up with custom domain name, so that if I give you my domain URL, my domain name, you can easily access my address without cramming. For instance, my name is Buchi. This program is called Code Buchi, and I'm planning to buy a domain name soon on this codebuchi.com. All right. Now,
Yes.
if I buy codebuchi.com, I would just, because it's English language. Once you hear it once, it's easy to memorize, right? See yourself, type in it, and then it takes to the website. I've not bought it yet. Now, domain name is like an alias.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's alternative to access IP address servers, right? So instead of typing the IP addresses, the domain name is mapped to the IP address. So when you call the domain name, it directs you to the IP address. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Fine. So now let's get back to how it works. So I build a site, I put on the server. Now you need a browser as a user to access it. So if you go to the browser, you open the IP address or my URL, you enter. The browser will look for that URL you typed. Look for the if you call it up. All right. The URL will answer his name and take it to the content you're looking for online. Does it make sense?
It does.
Yeah. So it is a internet browsing is, let me put it this way, a two-layer connection, a two-layer thing. The browser sends the request, the server responds, and to the browser displays what the server gives it back. So the user uses the browser to make a request to the server. The server in turn gets the request. If what person is requesting for is server level, the server picks it up and return it to the user, to the browser. The browser displays it to the user. It has understood. Let's proceed. It's what we do every day. We browse. All right. Now, with that said, welcome. With that said, let's go to that line. So I just did understand how the web works. Now, let's talk about HTML and CSS in details a little bit. Let's narrow down on them. So HTML, as the name implies, I don't know if you can see my screen. If I need to increase my HTML means hyper text markup language. I don't know if I said this in last class. I think I did, but let me repeat it. Then CSS.
Yes, it is.
CSS means cascading style sheets. All right. Now, this is used to create the content, to format content, and to create content on the web page. This is used to beautify it and give it an attractive look and appeal. All right, I'll take that again. HTML is used to create website content, basically using tags. While CSS is used to beautify content.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to start with HTML first. Now, how does it work? Let's get back to our Notepad. Last class we created a file on our system. If you're in that class or you followed suit, you should have that folder in your system by now. Okay. Come on. All right. I think this is file we created last class. So if you have your own, please open your web your system and go there. So everybody, please share your screen. Let me start seeing your screen. I need to be able to navigate and see what you're doing on your computer, so I can directly see what you're doing and correct if there's a mistake. All right. Share your screen. Kachi, welcome. If you can hear me, share your screen also. Can you unmute your mic so we have interaction? Unless you have noise at the background.
Okay, I can hear you. I'll share my screen.
Okay, so I'll share your screen. Wait. Princess, I gave you access to share screen. I'm not seeing your screen yet. I share your screen yet.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Well, I haven't. I saw the permission to share, but I'll figure it out. Don't worry. You know, Zoom can mess people up sometimes. Okay.
I've shared.
I've seen it now. All right. So I see your screen now. Got you next. Share screen.
Okay.
Okay. So what Kachi is doing that? So we started by creating this folder last class, and then we created this file. Do you remember that? So when we open up this file, we see hello world on the browser. Right? So what to start edit back, we want to go back and edit this file in this class, and then you start using HTML on it. So if you're here with me, right click. No. Okay, no need to right click anything. Actually, I can't just create. I want to be sure we're at the same place before I shoot with high speed. Okay.
I'm the same place with you, but I'm just I'll soon share my screen. I'm still on it, but I'm still listening to the class.
All right. So let's go.
I
Open
can't
up.
see. I
You
can't see your own screen.
Even now.
Mm-mm.
Okay, I'm gonna stop and share again. Kachi, about you can see my screen.
I can see your screen.
You can see my screen.
Yeah.
You can see what
Okay.
is, okay.
I can see now. Hello world. Yes.
All right, perfect. So I'm going to start by opening my Sublime Text. We installed Sublime Text in the last class, and I remember showing you how to open it. Let me close what I'm doing, and I'll open it up later because I need my bandwidth, my RAM bandwidth. Let me close something so that my system will not start hanging. Okay, I've closed. Sorry, let me close this browser instance. All right, please, if you're using a low system like me, don't run multiple instance on your system at the same time. It's gonna give you issue. And I encourage you put your task manager on. You can monitor your percentage use. My system freezes when it gets to 20% by 85. So me, I won't let it get to that point. You have to know when yours freezes and know how to close apps so don't get to that point. I'm currently on 72. All right. So let me proceed back to class. So Sublime Text, search it on your system, have it pin on your taskbar, but let me pin mine on my taskbar. All right, easier now. So when I click here, I get my Sublime Text launched. All right, this is a fresh window. If yours opened the last class, no problem. But I because we didn't open anything. Yours will likely open a fresh window like mine. So if you open a fresh window like mine, you go to File, Open Folder, then you look for that system, that file that you created. Mine is somewhere around there. When I find it out. All right. This is mine. I've opened my own. See the code I wrote. So if you not open your own, let's walk it through. Princess, I see you've opened your own also. Congratulations. Am I correct?
I did do.
I'm still seeing an open window by your left.
Yes, it's empty.
Yeah, it's empty. I know. I'm seeing your Explorer open by your left, where you say select folder cancel. What was that one?
I don't know. Because I came here.
All right, perfect. You've closed it only. I want to say that you closed it. You've closed it. What I want to say. So now that you've closed it, so this is hello world. If you click on this file, the intro, nothing inside. This is not our class. This is the JavaScript class we started before that we discontinued. Let me guide into where your class is. Click on file, open folder. This is okay. So look for. I'm seeing HTML, but I'm seeing a quick link already on your left, on your side. That's it. That's our class. Click on select folder. That's it. Close the other one. All right, perfect. So open up this one. So click on intro. There we go. So we're on the same page now. So now let me introduce what we call tags. I want to do it on Notepad, but let me save all the stress. So first, what are tags? Let me write it here. Tags are special a special way of item is to communicate hierarchy or format in content. Let me put it that way. But so how do you create a tag? Yeah. This is why I don't use HTML. I use Sublime Text because it is crazy. But let's go. It's going to help you with anything. I want to start with HTML with a notepad. So this tag, so on your computer, there is a sign called less than. In the computer world, we call that sign angle bracket. We call it what? Angle bracket.
Angle bracket.
Yeah. If I've not listed before to you, I will list it here. Okay. Actually, yes, in the waiting room. Okay, maybe before you join with your phone. Okay.
I joined with my phone initially, so I'm trying to join my laptop.
All right. So there are types of brackets in the computer world generally. There is parentheses. This one is called parentheses. But let me use parentheses. There is square brackets. I'm using square brackets. You know what to use. There is curly braces or curly bracket, anyone. And then there's another one called angle brackets. This is what we used to do tag. We use angle bracket to do tag. If you know where it is on your computer, let me know. If you don't know where it is, also let me know. So I'm assuming you know where it is until otherwise. If you don't tell me you don't know where it is on your computer, this sign. But if you don't say anything now, you know where it is. So let's go. So to do a tag, you need to type this sign. Now let's start with H1 tag. Type say H1, then close it. Now what you just did now is what's called opening tag. Let me copy it and put on my notes so you get the concept. This is called opening tag. All right. Now to do a closing tag, you have to do something like this. I don't like it. I don't like this guy for it. It doesn't be. Let me type it on Notepad. This is closing tag. Angle bracket slash then H1 this. Now both the open and closing tag look alike. The only difference is slash. Now this and this look very alike. The only difference is on this one we have a slash before the H1. Now what I just did now is called H1 tag. It's called a what? H1 tag.
H1 tag.
Yes. A typical tag, most tags comes in pairs, the opening and the closing tag. These two pairs makes up a tag. Oh, let me correct that. This is a tag, opening tag. This is a tag, closing tag. The two tags makes up an element. Makes up what? The HTML element. The difference between a tag and element. Yeah, they are what called elements. So when a complete pair of tags gives you an element. All right. So let's talk. Let me just be professional with you guys from the beginning. Most people call it tag, but it's not tag. This is a tag, and this is a tag. Now, if you type this, you call this a tag, you're not totally wrong. Generally, most people do that, but if you go details in this study, this pair is called element and not tag. This is actually called a tag, opening tag, and then a closing tag. Are you with me now? And this is what we call the H1 element. The H1 what? Element. Yeah. H1 element. I'll show you how to do a second tag. Let me call it H2. Now, if you do this and type slash H2, as you're doing it, this guy will help you to complete it. But please master it after typing the tag, because this guy, if this guy corrupt you, when you run into problem, you might find it difficult to fix yourself. All right. So I've done two tags so far, H1 and H2. I'll be going through your screen to show that you have replicated the tag as you ought to. Okay, you can see your screen. Your view my screen. So, Kachi, do you have some line tests on your system? Kachi, clean us. Kachi, please. Kachi, you have to disconnect one device. If you're having challenge with your speaker in any of the devices, you need to mute one and unmute the other one. I've muted you. You can unmute if you want to mute.
Okay.
All right. So I muted one of the device. The other one should be open. That was too loud. Princess, where is the earpiece?
No,
Yes.
no. Two of my devices were connected. My phone and laptop center.
I know.
Yes, so but
I'm using the earpiece, so it hit my ear.
Oh, sorry, so sorry.
Me too.
I've disconnected from my phone, so I'm just using the laptop now.
Better. Okay, so I was asking if you have what's it called? Sublime text on your device yet, because
yes, can you see my own screen?
I can see your screen, but you are not sharing. You are sharing. I'm seeing the Zoom my Zoom interface. Is your Sublime text open?
Yes.
What did you share? Did you share entire screen or you shared only an interface?
I shared the entire screen. Oh, okay, let me check.
You can stop sharing and share again.
And you share again.
Yes. When you share entire screen. Okay, Princess.
I've done that.
The tag I did, please repeat it.
I've shared the entire screen.
So I am a bit confused.
Okay.
Am I supposed to open a new file to create that tag?
No. Wipe your hello world and as I did and do what I did.
Okay. Okay.
Now, what I'm trying to teach people is that how to learn beyond.
Sorry, I can't see your screen. I'm just seeing.
You can't see my screen. Now, if you're sharing your screen, are you seeing any tiles that show our names?
Yes.
I can't see any arrow facing upward and backward on that tiles.
Facing upward and backwards.
Yes, on that tile.
No.
Do you know the screenshot the screen? This screenshot I sent to my WhatsApp. Is it WhatsApp on your system?
Let me check WhatsApp.
No. If you don't have it on WhatsApp, I can see your screen. All right. But you can't see my screen, right? I'm asking now. As you minimize Zoom, let me see.
I'm using web.
You're using web Zoom.
Yeah.
Is there any tiles you're seeing where they contain my name, princess's name, and maybe
I'm seeing Goodness, Princess,
fine,
and Nyebuchi.
Exactly. Go up
again. You're seeing my screen now.
I'm seeing your screen, yes. Now go up again. Upper. Are you seeing any place again? Is that where I see princess screen, Nyebuchi screen, my screen? Nothing like that.
Nothing like that. It's just this one here.
Yeah, that's the way you see my screen. Okay. Screenshot what you see your screen, because the way Zoom works. That half on this you're showing, I won't see that part. All right. The screenshot will only show this part. Good is welcome. If you're just joining, open your Sublime Text from the last class we did and type this code. Good news. So Kachi, if you're Kachi, so okay, FYI everybody, after I get Zoom desktop installed, all right. Desktop apps are more optimized than web apps most times. So, but Kachi, share, give me a screenshot. You can snap with your phones, but let it be. Don't use Flash. Send me WhatsApp. I want to see your entire screen. What you're currently seeing.
Let me start. Okay. Let me do that.
Princess, please, after this class, share on that screen for us. After this class, share on that screen with us.
Share another screen or open another.
Open another meeting. After this meeting. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Good news. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right.
I'll send to WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, maybe you should stop sharing your screen. Stop sharing your screen. Let me see.
I cannot see your screen.
Can I see my screen? That's how web.
Yes, I stop sharing.
Web does not support multiple screen share. So after that, I get a screen share. Follow up. Stop sharing. If I need to see your screen, I'll tell to share. Thank you. So yeah, if you can see my screen, I'm assuming that you've done this. All right. It's important to understand how this is structured. So let's go back. After this class, another link will be sent to the Slack channel by any one of us to follow the link once it drops. Because we have 5 minutes on this class next. So back to that line, or rather, so I'll show you how to do 2 tags. The H1 tag, the H2 tag. Now let's put this inside this tag. But let me see, save your code. You should not save your code. Now, if you're using Sublime Text like me, all right, click on empty space and click open in browser. All right. Now you see the code we just wrote is empty. It's an empty screen. Nothing is written on it. That's because we've not added any content on it. Take note. Tags are not content. Tags are content holders. I repeat, tags are not content. Tags are content holders. Because the content holder, you need to give the content to hold. All right, so let me start by saying, putting back that hello word we removed inside here. Now I'm going to save it and refresh. Now, If you can see my screen, you can attest to the fact that this hello world is far bigger and bolder than the one we did in the previous class. Who agrees?
Yes.
Okay. Now, that's what tag does to you. Tag formats your content. Now, this particular tag on H1 is heading 1. H means heading. Let me put on my notepad. H tags are heading tags. In fact, let me give you the full meaning. Every element has a full name. Heading tags. All right. Under heading tag, we now have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. We don't know when you are H2. We're not doing to H6. We'll stop at H1 and H2. Now, let me put another hello word here. So I'm typing in between the tags. Take note. In between the open and closing tag. If it's going to disturb you or confuse you, break it and type it here. In between the opening and closing tag, break it and type it. So you won't get confused. For now, later we'll start typing it. We'll start typing on the same line. Let me type another hello word here. Now, sorry, that by this. Now, if I repeat, then I go back to that screen there before. Avoid opening multiple browser instances. It will slow down your system. Trust me. That one you open before is enough. Just go and refresh it. So we've seen that the second hello word is smaller than the first hello word. Is someone there with me?
Yes.
Now, okay. To accomplish my next phase of our lesson, I want you to, on your own now, do another tag for H3, H4, H5, and H6. Put hello word in them. When you're done, I will see. Tell me you're done. I will see your screen. Let's go. 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes to go. I'll close another meeting. Linus, welcome.
I'm done.
Kachi, you're done. Please
Yeah.
share screen. Let's see. Share screen. Let's see what you did. I can see Princess screen. She's still on it. I'm not seeing good news screen. Good news. I know this is a laptop. Linus, you're using 2 devices. Is one of my device faulty in terms of sound?
I'm trying to create my folder.
Tell the what? Click a project.
Folder.
Okay, you did it from last class. We had it already. If you follow last class video, that's any folder we're using. So if you need to locate the folder, let me know. I will help you locate it. If you share your screen, I will guide you from where to locate it. All right. Linus, welcome. If you can hear me, kindly unmute your mic.
I'll share my screen.
Okay. Yeah, Kachi, can see your screen. Okay, Kachi, this is H1, H3, H4. Perfect. All right, this is perfect. If you right click on an empty space and so open in browser, Kachi. No, empty space, not close to the tag, please. Is it
Need empty space.
your this is not correct. Your